San Beda. Here's Isagon. Gives it to Cruz. That's his spot. That's his shot for Dion Chan. Here's Chan. That's his spot. Once again from way downtown. Dion Chan. Nakakadalawa na siya doon as he gets the steal out for Dion. San Beda once again pushing the pace. Chan from long range. Nag-ala Jeff Chan. Si Dion Chan on that one. He's using his speed on that fast break play. Steal by Dion. Goes coast to coast. A big boy move for Kent Yumul. As Dion Chan enters back. Policarpio. Steal by Dion. Defense to offense for the San Beda. Right. The sidestep. He drops it off. Naagawan. Zik Edades. Forward pass. Here's Chan all the way. Edades. Chan all day to shoot. He got 4 3-pointers here in this game. Dion Chan still. And let's see kung ano sagot dito ng Ultimate Exagrio habang wala si Morsi. As Dion Chan still hot in this game. That's his 5th 3-pointer for this game.